Check out our newest affiliate workflow update. This feature is going to allow users to automate the addition of leads and manual sales under specific affiliates, enhancing affiliate management and boosting your sales efficiency. There are so many amazing benefits to this feature. Let me talk about my favorite three. First of all, now you can automate lead assignment. Now you can automatically assign leads to affiliates, which is going to streamline that lead management and the follow-up process. You're also going to allow tracking of offline sales. Now you can add and track manual sales made outside of the system. And this is really going to reward engagement because now you can recognize and reward affiliates for both monetary and non-monetary contributions, increasing your affiliates' motivation and how they participate in your program. Now, when you receive a new lead through a form or even a survey, the system can automatically assign the lead to a specific affiliate, ensuring that that affiliate can promptly follow up and increase the likelihood of a conversion. So let me show you exactly where this is located and how to use this new feature. First, we need to create a workflow. So we want to be under automation, then workflows, then we're going to go ahead and create a workflow. From there, we're going to add the lead. So we're going to create whatever our triggers need to be. That could be a specific form or a survey being submitted. And now we're going to click on the action and we're going to add the lead under the affiliate, or we're going to add a manual sale for an affiliate. We can choose either one here. So let's go ahead and add leads under an affiliate. So you're going to go ahead and add leads under an affiliate. You're going to select a campaign, and then you're going to select the affiliate. Now, if we're going to add a manual sale for an affiliate, we're also going to click on Action, then add manual sale for an affiliate. And we're going to configure that manual sales action with a campaign, the affiliate, the revenue, the event date, and the event ID. The Affiliate Workflow Actions feature is going to enhance your affiliate program by automating key tasks, making it so much easier to manage and reward your affiliates effectively. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.